Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the important question of chapter number 14. The title of question is Ecological Pyramids. So now you can see the PDF format of the question Ecological Pyramids of your screen, and it is also lengthy question including different three diagram of the pyramids. Okay, so now we will go to the notes. So the title of question is Ecological Pyramids. It is important question of 3 marks. First point, we can say that we all are familiar with the shape of a pyramid. It means we all know the shape of particular pyramid. Now you can see the diagram in your screen. So we can say that the base of pyramid is broad and it narrows towards the apex. It means we can say that the base of pyramid, it means we can say that the posterior portion of pyramid is broader in shape, while anterior means topmost part of pyramid will be narrower. So it is one type of triangular structure. So first point, we can say that we all are familiar with the shape of pyramid with diagram. Second point, base of pyramid is broad and it narrows towards the apex, means topmost portion of the pyramid. It means it is triangular in the shape. Point number 3, we can say that the shape of pyramid will be same. See, the shape of pyramid will be same if we express, it means if we include the food or energy connection, means energy relationship between different organisms at different trophic level. It means the shape of pyramid will not be changed. The shape of pyramid will be always same if we include the food or energy relationship between different organisms at different trophic level. So point number 3 is about the shape of pyramid will always be the same. Now see, point number 4, we can say that this relationship of the different organisms, means between different organisms, is expressed in terms of numbers, biomass or the energy. It means we can express the relationship between organisms, means different type of animals as well as plants, according to, means in the term of numbers, biomass as well as the energy. Point number 5, it means the base of each pyramid represent, see, remember it is important, the base of each pyramid represent the producers or the first trophic level. It means we can say that we are talking about the base, means which part, means which means posterior part. So base represent the producers or the first trophic level. You know that the first trophic level, in first trophic level producers means autotrophs are included, while if we talk about the anterior part of pyramid, it means if we talk about the apex of pyramid, the apex represent the tertiary or the top level consumer. So it is one liner question, base represents blank and apex represents blank. So you will remember that base represents primary producers, means first trophic level, while apex represent the tertiary or the top level consumers. So in this page 5 points are there. First point is about the familiar with shape of pyramid. Second point is about the base is broad while apex is narrower comparatively. Point number 3, the shape of pyramid will be always same. Point number 4, relation is expressed in term of number, biomass as well as energy. And point number 5, we can say that base represents producer, means first trophic level, while apex means anterior most part represent tertiary or the top level consumers. Point number 6, we can say that the there are three ecological pyramids that are usually studied. So many types of ecological pyramids are there, but according to study purpose, three pyramids are used. First one is pyramid of number, second one is pyramid of biomass, and third one is pyramid of energy. So in this question we are going to learn about the all three types of pyramid. So first of all we will understand the diagram of all three pyramid. You will remember the name of all three pyramids. The first name is pyramid of energy, second name is pyramid of biomass, third name is pyramid of energy. Okay, if we talk about the content of your textbook, okay, now see. So ecological pyramids, see the first point, familiar with the shape of pyramid. The base of pyramid is broad, it narrows towards the apex, and you can say that the next sentence are common. And now you will remember the last third sentence, three ecological pyramids, and you will remember the name: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Okay, now see we have the diagram of pyramid of energy. So first of all we will see the trophic level. See here, your left side, you can see the first, second, third and fourth. It means different type of trophic levels are there. In first trophic level, primary producers are included. In second trophic level, primary consumers are included. In third trophic level, secondary consumers are included, while in fourth trophic level, tertiary consumers are included. See, it is important to note here, producers and consumers are included, but decomposers are not included in this particular pyramid. Okay, now see figure number 14.4a, pyramid of numbers. In a which ecosystem? In a grassland ecosystem. So we are seeing the pyramid means the number of pyramid of the grassland ecosystem, and you can see about nearly 6 million plants, means 60 lakh plants are there. See here right side, number of individuals. So if we talk about the number of individuals, we can say 58 lakh 42,000 primary producers are there, and the number of primary consumers will be 708,000. The number of secondary consumers will be 354,000, and the number of tertiary consumer will be only 3. So if you are going to the upper side, means one layer to another layer, means first trophic level to second trophic level to third trophic level to fourth, the numbers are going to decrease. So it is all about the pyramid of numbers. Okay, now see second diagram. If we talk about the pyramids of biomass, okay, see left side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the numbers connected with the trophic level. It indicates the first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level and fourth trophic level. Fourth trophic level is connected with the PP, means primary producers. Second trophic level is connected with PC, means primary consumers. Third trophic level is connected with the SC, means secondary consumers, and fourth trophic level is connected with TC, means tertiary consumers. So producers and consumers are included here, decomposers are not included. Okay, now see figure number 14.4b, pyramid of biomass shows a sharp decrease in biomass at higher trophic level. So see here right side, dry weight kilogram per meter square. So the biomass of primary producers will be 809 kilogram per meter square, while biomass of primary consumer will be only 37, while the biomass of secondary consumers will be only 11, and biomass of tertiary consumers will be 1.5. So you can say biomass is going to decrease if we will go to the second level from first, and from second level to the third, and from third to the fourth. Okay, now see there is a one exception. So now you can see the next diagram, diagram number 14.4c. It is one type of inverted pyramid. Okay, see, inverted pyramid of biomass. Here small standing crop of planktons supports the large standing crop of zooplanktons. See, we have the two different type of organisms, phytoplanktons as well as zooplanktons. You can see here at left side two trophical levels are there, first and second. First is connected with the primary producers while second is connected with the primary consumers. But we can say that phytoplanktons are included in primary producers, but the numbers are only 4, while zooplanktons are included in primary consumers, but numbers of zooplanktons are higher compared to the phytoplankton. So it is one type of inverted pyramid. So you will also remember this inverted pyramid. And see the last and third pyramid, which is the pyramid of energy. See, in bracket it is written that it is the ideal pyramid. So you will remember that blank is the ideal pyramid of ecosystem. So pyramid of energy is the ideal pyramid. Okay, now see diagram number 14.4d, an ideal pyramid of energy. Observe that primary producers convert only 1% of the energy in the sunlight available to them into NPP. Okay, we will understand that sentence later, but first see here 4 trophical levels are there, first, second, third and fourth. First level is connected with PP, means primary producers. Second is connected with PC, means primary consumers. Third is connected with SC, means secondary consumers, while fourth is connected with TC, means tertiary consumers. Here see, we can say that total 10 lakh joule of sunlight is there, but producers are able to get only 10,000 joule of energy. It means producers are able to get only 1% energy from sunlight. It means if total 10 lakh joule of sunlight is there, then only 1%. It means 1% of 10 lakh joule is equal to only 10,000 joule of energy will be produced by primary producers. Okay, now see, we can say that energy will be lost if energy will go to the next trophic level. So when energy will go to the primary producers to the primary consumers, we can say that only 10% energy will be there. So 10,000 joule is converted into only 1,000 joule, and remaining energy are going to lose. And then see, 1000 joule converted into only 100 joule. From 100 joule, only 10 joule will be there at the fourth trophic level is of the tertiary consumers. So you will remember this diagram also. So you have total 3 diagrams. First diagram is of pyramid of number, second diagram is of pyramid of biomass, and third diagram is of pyramid of energy. So in examination you will draw the all 3 diagrams. Okay, in examination the all 3 diagrams are compulsory. Okay, now see, we will go to the theory. All organisms at that trophic level are included in any calculation of pyramid of energy as well as biomass as well as numbers. It means if we are drawing the pyramid of energy or biomass or numbers, then we are going to calculate the all organisms of a particular ecosystem. Okay, now see point number 2. If we talk about the generalization, it means if we take only a few individuals at any trophic level into account, then generalization will not true. It means if we are going to take some organisms and we are not taking other organisms, then it is not true method of generalization, because in the process of generalization each and every individuals must be included. Point number 3, sometimes it is also possible that one organism may occupy more than one trophic level. And now we will understand the example of point number 3. Okay, now see point number 4, there is an example. If we have one organism and the name of organism is a sparrow, so you know that the sparrow is a bird, and if suppose sparrow is a member of any ecosystem, sparrow will act as primary consumer when it eats seeds or fruits or peas, but sparrow will act as secondary consumer when it eats insect and worms. It means sparrow is a one organism, so this one organism will act as both primary consumer as well as secondary consumer. Depends upon what? Depends upon the food. Okay, so fourth one is about the example. Now see fifth one must remember that the trophic level represent a functional level, not a level for individual species. So you are going to remember that each and every trophic level of ecological pyramids are one type of functional level. It is a not personal or separate level for any individual species. So this page having the 5 points. First point is about the definition of generalization. Second point is about the if you are not going to take some species, then generalization will not true. Third point is about the some possibilities. Fourth point is about the example, and fifth point is about what? Is about the trophic level is one type of functional level, not a level of individual species. Okay, now see the next page. In most ecosystem, all pyramids of numbers of energy as well as biomass are upright, means triangular in shape. So it is a one-liner question. Majority all pyramids will be upright. It means, see point number 2, it means producers which are located at the first trophic level, producers are more in number as well as biomass compared to the herbivorous. You know that the herbivorous means second trophic level, so we can say that producers which are located at the first trophic level are more in numbers as well as biomass compared to the herbivorous which are located in the second trophic level. While see the second sentence, herbivorous are more in number and biomass compared to the carnivorous. Herbivores which are located in the second trophic level are more in number and biomass than the carnivorous which are located in the third trophic level. Now see point number 3. The energy at a lower trophic level is always higher compared to the higher level. It means first trophic level having higher energy compared to the second trophic level having higher energy compared to the third, and third trophic level having higher energy compared to the fourth trophic level. So these 3 points are very important. See, in majority of ecosystem all pyramids are upstairs. It means producers are more in numbers as well as biomass compared to herbivorous, while herbivorous are more in numbers as well as biomass compared to carnivorous. The energy at a lower trophic level will be always higher compared to the higher trophic level. Now see, some exceptions are there in generalization. So we have a one condition, we have a one ecosystem. In this ecosystem there is a one big tree. Okay, now we have different type of insects dependent upon this tree, and small birds which are dependent upon these insects, and large birds are also there which are dependent upon the small birds. So total 4 organisms are there. Okay, so if we arrange these all organisms into trophic level, so in first trophic level big tree will be there, in second trophic level insects are there, in third trophic level small birds are there, while in fourth trophic level large birds are there. Okay, now see, if we are going to write the numbers of this all, so the number of big tree will be only 1, while the number of insects are very much higher. It may be 1000 or more than 1000. If we talk about the numbers of small birds, it will be 10 to 12. If we talk about the numbers of large birds, it will be only 3. So what will be the shape of that pyramid? So you will draw this particular pyramid of number. Okay, so it is a homework for you. So first page is completed, second page is also completed. Now we will go through the textbook. So now any calculations of energy content or biomass or numbers has to include all organisms at their trophic level. So you know that the for generalization all organisms must be included. No generalization we make will be true if we take only a few individuals at any trophic level into account. Also, a given organism may occupy more than one trophic level simultaneously. One must remember that the trophic level represents a functional level, not a species level. So you will remember this, for it is a question of one line. Trophic level represent a functional level. It means trophic level is one type of functional level. It is not a level of species. And now see then the example of sparrow. Sparrow is a primary consumer when it eats insect and worms, while sparrow is a primary consumer when it eats seeds, fruits and peas, and a secondary consumer when it eats insect as well as worms. Okay, see the next paragraph. In most ecosystem, all pyramids of number, of energy and of the biomass are upright. It means producers are more in numbers and biomass than herbivores, and herbivores are more in number and biomass than the carnivores. Also, energy at a lower trophic level is always more than at the higher trophic level. Now see, there is a one example. There are some exception to this generalization. The condition is there: if you were to count the number of insect feeding on a big tree, what kind of pyramid would you get? Now add an estimate of the number of small birds depending on the insect, as also the number of large birds eating the smaller, and draw the shape of pyramid. Okay, so big tree first trophic level, insect second trophic level, small bird third trophic level, and large birds fourth trophic level. But you will remember this: large birds are dependent upon small birds are dependent upon insects, and insects are dependent upon big tree. So big tree is equal to first trophic level is equal to primary producers, while insects is equal to second trophic level is equal to primary consumers. Small birds is equal to what? Is equal to third trophic level is equal to secondary consumers, while large bird is equal to fourth trophic level is equal to the tertiary consumers. Okay, so you will draw this pyramid, this diagram of pyramid in your homework. Okay, now see what about the last concept of this question. Pyramid of energy is always upright. See, we are talking about the pyramid of energy. It is the one type of ideal pyramid. So you will remember that pyramid of energy is always upright, can never be inverted. So it is never inverted. So it is the most important MCQ. The pyramid of energy will be always upright, can never be inverted. Point number 2, because energy is always lost as heat at each step when energy flows from a particular trophic level to the next level. For example, see, we have two different type of level A and level B. So we can say that level B is a higher trophic level while level A is a lower trophic level, because level A is located at the top of the pyramid while level B is located at the base of pyramid. So when energy will go from level B to level A, so some energy will be lost in the form of heat. Okay, so 2 points are completed. Point number 3, each bar in the energy pyramid indicates the amount of energy present at each trophic level in a given time or annually per unit area. It means, in short, the meaning of this sentence will be like this: each bar in the pyramid of energy is one type of indication of amount of energy. See, we will understand this line with the help of this diagram. See, so first trophic level having 10,000 joule of energy, it is one type of representation. Second level having 1000 joule of energy. Third level having only 1000 joule of energy, 100 joule of energy, while fourth level having only 10 joule of energy. Okay, so sentence number 3 is also completed. And now we will talk about the last concept of this question. See, ecological pyramids having some limitations. First point, same species are not included into two or more trophic levels. It means same species are not included. For example, if we have 10 sparrow, see, if we have 10 sparrow, now 8 sparrow are primary consumer while 2 sparrow are secondary consumer. So we are not able to do like this. We can include all sparrow in a only one trophic level. We cannot add same species into two or more trophic levels. So what will be the problem? So simple food chain will be formed which never exist in nature, because we don't know. What about the sparrow? We don't know the sparrow is eating what. Sparrow is eating any different type of sparrow. It means sparrow will be included into primary consumer or secondary consumer. So formation of simple food chain will be there which never exist in nature. So proper food web will not be formed. Okay, so see, limitation first one is what? Same species will not be included two or more than two trophical levels. So only simple food chain will be formed which never exist in nature. So proper food web will not be formed. And point number 3, which is the most important part of this question, it is important to note that saprophytes, means decomposers, are not included in any pyramid, in any places in pyramids, even though they play a significant vital role in ecosystem. So you know that the decomposers are saprophytic according to mode of nutrition, and there is a significant, means important role of decomposers in the ecosystem. But you can see in all pyramids decomposers are not included. It means, see, here it is a pyramid of number, decomposers are not included. Pyramid of biomass, decomposers are not included. Pyramid of energy, decomposers are not included. Okay, so in any pyramid decomposers are not included. So you will remember 3 limitations of ecological pyramids. First one, same species are not included into 2 or more than 2 trophic level. So simple food chain will be formed which never exist in nature. So proper food web is not going to formed. And important to note that saprophytes, means decomposers, are not given any place in the ecological pyramids, even though they play a significant role in ecosystem. Now see this paragraph, pyramid of energy is always upright, can never be inverted. Why? Because when energy flows from a particular trophic level, means first level, to the next, means second trophic level, some energy is always lost as heat at each step. Okay, each bar in the energy pyramid indicates the amount of energy present at each trophic level in a given time or annually per unit area. And now see the last paragraph. However, there are some limitations of the ecological pyramids, like it does not take into account the same species belonging to two or more trophic levels. It assumes a simple food chain, something that almost never exists in nature. It does not form a proper food web. Moreover, the important thing is that saprophytes means decomposers are not given any place in ecological pyramids, even though they play vital significant role in the ecosystem. So the question of ecological pyramid is completed. Again, these three diagrams are very important, so you will draw all this diagram in this question. Okay, now we will go to the next question in next video lecture. Okay, this question is completed. Thank you very much.